What's up, guys? Chapo back with another video. This is a quick little video. Show you guys the engine bay real quick before I start. Gonna get you guys a nice little cold start. But today's video, I'm gonna be changing my remote battery. I'll show you guys why. Screw it. Got the back door open. Cause I am catless and that stuff be burning my eyes. I'm gonna close this. This is gonna be a cold start. As you can see, it says key fob battery low, blah blah blah. But here you go. Dang, cleared them pipes out, but sheesh. Probably should have moved some of this stuff out the way. Can't wait to get my exhaust, man. Got so much content coming for you guys. So much. Well, let's get back to the video. I'm about to change my battery out. Show you guys how easy this is. D.I.Y. D.I.Y. Alright guys, so this is the key fob. From what I seen on videos, I seen them open the key fob up like this. Dang.
Come down some. You're like, you can't really see it in the angle, so I think in order for you to know what you're doing, you need to have it up like that. Okay, so there we go.
Hey, how they open it? Oh, yep, right this.
You know what I mean though?
Yeah, babe. So they open it up from here, but I need a flathead. I don't want you going in the garage. I'm gonna go get it.
Just gonna start the video over.
Yep, stop it.
Okay.
So I went and got a screwdriver and flathead. About to see if I could pry this baby open. Yep. Open up easy, to be honest. This the battery. This is the replacement. I got this pack from Amazon. Yes, sir. Put your new one in. Make sure the positive side is facing downwards. It's the inside of the key. That's how it looks. Kind of cool. Close it. Shit. Then you're done. Simple as that. 1, 2, 3. About to go see if I get the same code on my dash. Let's get it. I'm not starting it up this time, guys. I'm just checking if the code pops back up. No code. Yep, that was easy. Easy 1, 2, 3. Alright, if you guys liked the video, like, subscribe. It was a quick little DIY, changing your battery. Instead of going to the dealership, changing your battery, having them change it, you just do it yourself. Easy as pie. See you guys later.